Everyone, this is Meena Vijay Pense, and let's see how the last extended week of November, that is the 22nd to the 30th of November, has in store for the sun sign Taurus. For the Taurians, this last extended week is going to begin in itself with financial dealings, important financial decisions. So you have to see to it that you have to particularly pay attention to a lot of financial issues and situations in both your personal as well as professional life. So this is going to be a week where you have to really sort out your finances and see to it that you efficiently manage your finances as well. This could be a week which is going to revolve around a lot of financial issues. Moving on to the space of work. At work, you might feel very comfortable. So what's going to happen is, if you have decided some plans or goals for yourself at work, this is the week where you're going to see to it that you will properly manage and see to it that your plans or your schedules, everything are properly adhered to and everything is completed absolutely on time. It's a very beautiful week where you will feel very confident at your space of work. You might feel very confident, especially after achieving certain small but important milestones at your work. Moving on to the space of finances, because this week in itself is all about financial priorities and financial management. It is absolutely recommended that you do not make any important financial decision of investment or spending or expenditure, particularly for this last extended week. What you could do instead is make a note of whatever you think that is required in your life that would really cost a good deal of finances. Write it down and just keep it away, but do not go ahead and make that purchase, because it is only at the end of November that you might realize that some expenses were actually necessary and some were not. So rather than going ahead and making a purchase and then realizing that it is not required, it is well advised that you simply wait it out for the entire week and make a list of expenses and expenditures, but don't go ahead and do it unless and until it is absolutely basic, essential and very necessary. Moving on to the area of relationships. So because this week is going to be a little bit financially overwhelming, a little pressurizing, a little bit dominating financially, you might get a little bit irritable and snappy at your own people. So the pressure of finances may actually be put on to your own loved ones. So be very careful when you speak to your loved ones, especially for this entire week, because there are chances you might snap at someone and you might really hurt them when actually that is not what you mean to do. But this is going to be a week of financial stress, financial decisions and financial lots happening. So there is a possibility that you might actually just pass on that pressure to your loved ones rather than dealing it yourself. So refrain from doing so. Moving on to the area of health. In this extended week of November, there is a very big possibility that you might give in to a lot of emotional eating, a little bit under financial stress, a little bit because you just simply want to let go, or you want to just put your hair down and just not have a control over your eating patterns. Now this could lead to a lot of unnecessarily weight gain, which is again not recommended. So see to it that you don't go for the emotional eating pattern, but maintain your regular eating and sleeping pattern for this entire week. I am absolutely open to receiving your responses and your reactions as to how you felt the predictions were. Do let me know in the comment section and I will be glad to read them. Here's wishing you a very beautiful and a very happy week.